As we know from previous videos, as landowner, CSA is tasked with maintaining and managing all 237 acres of land. So, in this final video, let's explore how the Congregation of Sisters of St. Agnes stewards the land in its care. Remember from the history of the conservation easement, during CSA Days 2021, the Congregation reviewed the Vatican's call to action on Laudato Si and voted to publicly commit to a 7-year process of transformation by strategically engaging the 7 goals of the Laudato Si action platform. This new commitment could not happen without a dedicated group of stewards to educate, inspire, and equip sisters, associates, and staff with the tools they need to support and advance the 7 goals of the Laudato Si action platform. To this end, the Laudato Si action team was formed. Each year, the team generates a plan for continued advancement on the goals of the Laudato Si action platform. One of the first priorities of the Laudato Si action team came to fruition in 2023 when the congregation added the role of land steward to the maintenance department. Then, working with professional naturalists, CSA leadership and the land steward developed a land management plan. The underlying goal of the land management plan is to provide CSA with a guideline to preserve, enhance, and restore the ecological functions of the land over the next 5 years. The plan was developed with 3 primary objectives. First, to gain a better understanding of the current flowers and animals using the land. Second, to assess the plans to determine where invasive species need to be removed. And third, to create a better understanding of the wetlands that exist on the CSA property. The Land Management Plan offers suggested actions for each area of the land, since there are always opportunities to improve our ecological stewardship. The timeline for these actions is flexible to allow for changes in priorities, staff availability, and funding. Each suggested action was also reviewed by Glacial Lakes Conservancy. GLC affirmed that all the suggestions are in line with the goals of the conservation easement and do not violate any of its stipulations. The land steward and the Laudato Si action team now serve as champions for moving forward with the land management plan and other tasks for continued advancement on the 7 goals of the Laudato Si action platform, and is one more way that CSA lives out its commitment to care for Earth, home of all living creatures.